to teach you this snap word lesson, but I hope you have your thinking cap because I picked out two really, really tricky kindergarten words to work on. So if you have your thinking cap, then you're ready for this lesson. Here we go. Look at the screen, and this is a chart that Mabel gave us a long time ago called How to Learn a Word. And Mabel gave us 5 steps that we need to do in order to help that word stick into our brain so we'll be able to use it and know it in a snap. So the first thing we have to do is we have to read the word. Then we study it, then we spell it, then we write it, and then we use it. So the first word we're going to learn about is this word. Does anybody know it? It's the word play. Can you guys read this word with me? Play. Now we need to study it, friends. So look at this word. There is one letter that is red. What is that letter called? Is that letter a consonant or a vowel? Good job. It's a vowel. The word play has one vowel. The letter A is the vowel in play. Now look at these 2 red letters that I have on the screen. Why are they red? What is the same about them? Did somebody say that those letters kind of dip down? You're right if you did. The P and the Y, those 2 letters dip down. Now look. Study the word. What do you notice about the red letter? You said it's a tall letter. You're right. Play has 1 tall letter, 2 letters that dip down, and 1 vowel. Let's go back to the chart. We've read it. We've studied it. Now we need to spell it. Can you guys spell it with me? P-L-A-Y. Play. Now see if you can spell it with your eyes closed. P-L-A-Y. Play. Now let's see if we can do it in a whisper voice. P-L-A-Y. Play. Great job, friends. Okay, we've read it, we've studied it, we've spelled it. Now we need to write it. So what you're going to need to do is get a piece of paper, a note card, a marker board, crayons, pencil, pen, whatever you have around to practice writing the word play. I'm going to show you a couple things I'm going to do so I can really get it stuck in my brain. I'm probably going to write it on a marker board, and I have those special markers here. I also got some shaving cream, and I'm going to practice writing the word play in shaving cream. You could also get some cereal or something around your house and try to build the word play to help make that stick in your brain. So you're going to need to pause the video and you're going to need to practice writing and building the word play. Good luck. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, great job writing and building the word play. So we have one more step to go. We have read it, studied it, spelled it. We just got done writing it. Now we have to use it. So we have to use that word play in a sentence. Can you think for a minute? Let your brain think about what type of sentence would you use the word play in? How would you use the word play? Well, I came up with a couple sentences up on your screen that we're going to read together. When I get to the word play, clap your hands. Here we go. Will you play with me? Marshall likes to play with Riker. I love to play on the swings. I went to the park to play. So boys and girls, right now I want you to stop the video again and I want you to come up with a sentence using the word play. Maybe if there's an adult or an older sister or brother in your house, that you could have them come up with a sentence also. So pause the video and then I'm going to teach you about the second tricky word. Great job working on the word play. I bet after all that work, it's stuck in your brain. So we got to keep practicing it this week and then it becomes a snap word. Okay, look at your screen. Here's the second tricky word this week that we're really going to work on. And it is the word, I think I heard some of you say that, the word here. Good job. Okay, so Mabel tells us that we have to read it and then we need to study it. So let's read the word together. Here. Okay, let's study it. Yep, I heard someone say that. There are two vowels in this word, and both of those vowels are the same. The letter E. Two vowels in the word here. What about this? Yeah, two consonants in the word here. H is a consonant and R is a consonant. Now, H is a tall letter and R is a short letter. Okay, we studied it. We read it. We need to spell it. Are you ready? Here we go. H-E-R-E, here. Now let's say it in a monster voice. Now don't be scared. It's just pretend. Let's do it in a monster voice. Here we go. H-E-R-E, here. Now let's do it in a whisper voice. H-E-R-E, here. Great job, friends. All right. We read it, we studied it, we spelled it. Guess what time it is? It's time to write it. This is where you get that paper and crayon or marker board or shaving cream or Cheerios, or you could do it with sidewalk chalk. Lots of different ways that you could practice writing and building the word here. So pause the video and get to writing and building, and I'll see you in just a second. Great job. Okay, now we have to use the word here. So I have sentences up on the screen that we will read again, and every time I get to the word here, what do you have to do? Clap. Here we go. Here is my dog. You can play here. Look up here. Here are my red socks. Will you stay here with me? Very good job. Can you come up with your own sentence using here? And maybe somebody else in your house can come up with a different sentence. Share your sentences now and then come on back. Awesome job, friends, working on two new snap words, play and here. Keep working on those words this week so you can get those stuck in your brain and turn them into a snap word. Tomorrow's activity, you are going to have to look through books to find the word play, here, are, and buy. And then I made a sheet. All you have to do is click on the link, and there is a sheet that you can use to keep track of this. Now, if you don't have a printer, no worries. You just make a little graph like I have up there to help keep track of how many times you found those words. Then on Wednesday, there's a snap word game called Fly Swat. So what you're going to need to do is get some paper or note cards and write out a bunch of the snap words that are on the kindergarten snap word list. And if you don't have that list, at the bottom of the activities for this week, there is a link that you can click so you have the list online. But you'll write it on cards, and then you'll need a parent or an older sibling. They're going to say the word, and then you have to slap it with a fly swatter or a spatula, or if you don't have any of that, just do it with your hand. So we'll try to do an example. I have all the words right there on my couch cushion, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the word and then we'll find it. Okay, here we go. Look, like, at, my. And then you just keep practicing those words. You could also take those cards after you're done playing the game and make a silly sentence with it. Like, let's see. Look at my stinky sock. You could just make some silly sentences with those snap words like we've done at school. On Thursday, you will have a link to click on where there are some sentences. There are snap word sentences to read, and then fill in the correct punctuation. Now, if you don't have a printer, no big deal. You could pull it up on the screen and just have them read the sentence and you talk about the punctuation. They could write this sentence on paper and then put the punctuation on at the end. Or you could write the sentence and have them read it and put the punctuation at the end. And then on Friday, there are 2 videos. One video is about the word here, and the second video is about the word play. They're all linked on that chart online. So you just click on the link and watch them. And then there's an activity to do that is also linked onto the chart where you just have to find the missing word in the word play, are, like, here, and for. And then a couple suggestions of extra things you could do. You could just try to help master and work on these snap words. So there's some snap word activities for this week. And I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing them. And I hope they turn into snap words for you. So good luck. I made things kind of tricky. So good luck. Make sure you wear your thinking cap. Until next week, friends. Bye.